Hello YouTube viewers, it's Sharky here, and today I'm back with a different video on my channel. As you can see, this is kind of like a speed art kind of thing. I say speed art because technically graphics are art, and it's speed because it's being sped up. Anyways, this is kind of like the first of speed arts that I've done on my channel, and really it's not even going to be on this channel. Really, all my speed arts and things of artistic nature will be done on my art channel, and the link to that would of course be in the description, and it'll also be in the end card at the end of the video. So yeah, enjoy this speed art, and I'll see you guys at the end to conclude and that fun stuff. Enjoy. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed this speed art that I did. And so basically the deal with speed arts is I plan to upload one speed art a month on my main channel, and then the rest of the speed arts can be found on my art channel. The reason why I say once a month on my main channel is just to remind you guys, it's like, hey, I have another channel here that's dedicated to aesthetics and things of that nature. So anyways, my art channel link will be in the description below, as well as it will be in the end card at the end of this video. So if you're like most of the people on the YouTube community and you don't read descriptions, you can just wait till the end of the video and then click on the slightly different shark's face. I don't know. Now I do paid and free work for banners and logos and end screens, but paid work does take priority over free work, and there are times I can't accept neither because I'm working on personal projects or my commission slots are full. So if you do want to commission, my email as well as my Discord link will be in the description below. You could also comment down your Discord so I can friend you, and you could also DM me on Twitter if you're into that thing. And yeah, anyways, I really all hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and drop a like. Share it with your friends. Maybe they might find seeing art being done fast cool or whatever. Comment down what you thought about the design and if you have any feedback for me. And subscribe if you're new around here. We'll upload videos every week, no specific day yet. And if you subscribe, you'll get a notification when I upload. Anyways, my name is Jxsepph, and I'll see you all later.